Kind speech. The next action advised in the main hadith, which raises a Muslim's rank, is kind speech. Allah, the Exalted, has mentioned the importance of this in more than one place in the Holy Quran. For example, chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 83.
And speak to people good words.
In fact, Allah, the Exalted, has even commanded Muslims to debate non-Muslims using kind words. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 125.
Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best.
It is such an important characteristic to possess that Allah, the Exalted, even commanded His holy prophets, peace be upon them, to speak kindly to Pharaoh, even though he went beyond all limits in his disobedience. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 44.
And speak to him with gentle speech that perhaps he may be reminded or fear Allah.
This clearly shows that one should always speak kindly with others, as no person they speak to will be as bad as Pharaoh. If Allah, the Exalted, commanded that Pharaoh be spoken to kindly, can one imagine how kindly people should speak to Muslims? This also proves one must speak kindly to all irrespective of their faith. One should adopt the simple yet profound advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which is mentioned in a hadith found in Sahih Muslim, number 176. He advised Muslims to either speak good or remain silent. A part of good speech is spreading the Islamic greeting of peace to others. This greeting should be extended to all Muslims, even if one does not know them. This has been advised in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6236. In fact, this hadith mentions this action to be one of the best Islamic traits one can adopt. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has made it clear in a hadith found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 68, that the believers will only enter paradise when they love each other, and this occurs when they spread the greeting of peace amongst themselves. It is important to know that the real meaning of spreading the Islamic greeting of peace is that one shows peace to others through their actions, not just through their words. Providing food for others and speaking kind words have been put together in the main hadith under discussion, as one should treat others kindly through their actions, such as providing them with food, and through their words. One without the other is defective, and may well cancel the reward one could obtain. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 264.
O you who have believed, do not invalidate your charities with reminders of it or injury.
Allah, the Exalted, has promised forgiveness, His love and paradise to those who treat others kindly through their actions and words. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verses 133 to 134.
And hasten to forgiveness from your Lord and a garden, i.e. paradise as wide as the heavens and earth, prepared for the righteous, who spend in the cause of Allah during ease and hardship, and who restrain anger, and who pardon the people, and Allah loves the doers of good.
Withholding one's anger and pardoning others mentioned in this verse requires kind speech. Gentle speech will always be more effective on the hearts of others, especially when commanding good and forbidding evil, than harsh speech. This is indicated in a hadith found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4807. It was this kind speech and attitude which caused the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, to constantly gravitate towards the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. It is a characteristic of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, Allah, the Exalted, specifically highlighted in the Holy Quran. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 159.
So by mercy from Allah, O Muhammad, you were lenient with them. And if you had been rude in speech and harsh in heart, they would have disbanded from about you.
Therefore, it is vital for Muslims to adopt this characteristic, and treat others how they wish to be treated through their actions and words. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.